Okay, we're standing in front of 61-53 224th Street. You can see how beautiful this courtyard is. Has 6 benches, manicured lawns. That's 224th Street. Just turn around quickly again and see how nice this courtyard is. We're now inside of 61-53 224th Street, a 3-bedroom co-op. Right now we're looking at the living room, nice looking living room. French doors leading to the bedrooms over here. So in case a child is sleeping, you can close the French door like I'm doing right now, and you can have a conversation. First we'll go into the master bedroom. Fan, 2 windows, air conditioner. Real nice size master bedroom, swinging around. Lighted double closet with extra shelving. All right, so it's moving over to, this is a oversized bathroom. Let me show you what I mean by that. Is you have a nice vanity mirror. Move over to the bathtub. Everything in very nice shape, but a lot bigger than most bathrooms in these co-ops. And we'll go into the second bedroom, kids' bedroom. Move around a little bit. Closet behind the door. All right, so let's go into the third bedroom. You have 2 closets here, linen closets. Okay, close that up again. Open the French door. So beautiful living room. Kitchen. You have a washer dryer here. Dishwasher, stove, refrigerator, window. You have a rain hood vented outside. A lot of cabinets. Entrance here. This could either be a formal dining room or a 3rd bedroom. Let me turn around a little bit. Does have a closet, has double French doors. So again, beautiful 3-bedroom co-op, or 2 bedrooms and a formal dining room. Again, another view of the living room. Hi-hats. I will be watching this video. Asking price $350,000. Maintenance, including the washer dryer, cost only $925 per month. Anywhere from $100 to $250 cheaper than equivalent size co-ops located within a few blocks walk of here. This is in the Oakland Gardens section of Bayside at 61-53 224th Street. Have a great day. Take care.